In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a backlog view to a Kanban board in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Jira account. It's a straightforward process. Just go to the Jira login page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now the next step is to locate your Kanban board. This is where all the magic happens. Depending on how your Jira is set up, you may find this board easily listed on your dashboard. Click on the link for your Kanban board to open it. If you're looking at your Kanban board and you don't see a backlog section, don't worry, we'll fix that in just a moment. To add the backlog view, look for a plus icon right next to the More option in the top corner of your board. Clicking this icon won't add the backlog just yet, but it will lead us to the right settings. At this stage, if you still can't see the backlog, rest assured, we need to head to the board settings to enable it. Look for an option labeled Board Settings and give that a click. This area allows you to customize your Kanban board, so it's where we need to go to make the changes for the backlog. Once you are in the board settings, you will see a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, find and click on the Columns option. This will show you all the different sections currently set up on your board. Now, here's where the real magic begins. In the column settings, you should notice an option labeled Backlog. This is where we can create a space specifically for items that need to be worked on but aren't quite ready to be in the active workflow yet. So what you want to do now is drag the Backlog option into the Kanban Backlog section. After completing this step, it's time to return to your board. Look for the option that says Back to Board and click it. Now we're ready to see the changes we made. Once back on your Kanban board, look for that same plus icon next to the More option. This time, when you click on it, you'll have the option to view the backlog. Click on Backlog to see the section we've just added. Now, to make it even easier to access this backlog in the future, let's add it to your navigation. Find the option that says Add to Navigation and select it. This will ensure that you can access your backlog quickly anytime you log into Jira, making your project management much smoother. Finally, returning to your backlog one last time, you should see the new backlog section displayed. Here, you can now manage your tasks more effectively, moving items into your Kanban workflow when you're ready to work on them. And that's it. You've successfully added a backlog view to your Kanban board in Jira. This enhancement will help you keep track of what needs to be done and what your team is currently focusing on. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on using Jira effectively. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time, happy project managing.